Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day, want to take a look at Synovus Energy. This is ticker CVE. So while the market has just been kind of blah lately, we've seen energy stocks really kind of hold things up. And as you can see from Synovus, this is technically still in an uptrend because the stock is above its 50-day moving average. Now, I've learned from Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com that you typically don't want sharp moves down to support because those aren't really reliable for solid bounces. But if we do see a bounce, we typically like to see it around key moving averages like we have here with Synovus. And so I think it could be possible if we get a rebound in the market for this stock to at least try and get back above the 21-day and the 8-day exponential period moving average and potentially continue this uptrend higher if energy cooperates. So this is definitely a stock I'm watching for to have support around the 50-day moving average and have a move over, let's say, $20.20 on higher than average volume for a potential rebound trade. So that's just one of many things we're watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. You should definitely join us for great conversation and great ideas. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.